Look at the quick way to post an Instagram note on a PC. We log into Instagram from the PC. Once we are here on the home page, what we are going to do is go to the Instagram profile. On the left side of the screen are all the options. We go down to the last option, profile. Once we are on the profile, we can post the note from the PC here. Here is the whole profile, and here we can write whatever note we want. For example, let's type something here, I don't know. For example, what are you doing? And we can also add emojis here if we want. A wide variety of emojis appears here. For example, let's add this smiley face and look how it turns out. And just simply hit share. But here we can also share it with followers or just with friends. Look, these two options appear, and once we choose, we just hit share. And that is how you post the Instagram notes from your PC. In this action, we can create a new note or delete the one we already posted. Also remember that in the description of this video, I show you how to share Instagram stories from your PC and how to highlight Instagram stories from your PC. And also another very interesting video on how to see blocked contacts on Instagram from your PC. So go check out the videos in the description of this one. I am sure they will be very useful to you. Remember to subscribe to this channel. It is totally free. See you until next time. Check the description of this video.